Hey guys, welcome to your channel. In this video, you will learn on how to use QuickBooks for a restaurant business. Okay, so if you own or manage a restaurant, cafe, or small food business, QuickBooks can help you track daily sales, food expenses, supplier payments, and overall profit all in one place. Okay, so first thing that you should do here is you just have to open any of your web browser. Okay, and then using the search bar at the top, you just have to tap out right here, QuickBooks. Okay, and then you have the first website, so simply tap on this one. Okay, and then after that, if you're from the Philippines, so just go to the Philippines side, and you'll be able to see this section. Now, tap on the see plans and pricing. So this option at the left side of your screen. That's right, and you'll be directed to the section where you can find a plan that is right for you. So currently, we have the simple plan. Okay, so after subscribing to a plan, of course, signing up to an account and then subscribing to a plan, we can now proceed with the process and how we can actually use QuickBooks effectively if we own a restaurant. Okay, so first is we have to set up our restaurant business. So here you have the gear icon or the settings at the top right of your screen. So simply tap on this one. That's right. And then under the your company, tap on the account and settings. Okay, so just go here and then in the section, all you have to do is to enter your restaurant name, the address of your business or your restaurant, the contact information that includes your phone number, telephone, or your email. And of course, do not forget the tax details. Okay, so after that, you just have to tap on the done option. And let us now close this section and we are going to proceed to the chart of accounts. Okay, so just wait for a couple of seconds and then tap on the settings or the gear icon at the top right. Okay, and then just wait for a couple of seconds and then under the your company once again, you have here the chart of accounts. So tap on the chart of accounts. So this is where you organize your restaurant income and your expenses. So common categories for restaurant include under the income like food sales, beverage sales, catering services, delivery sales. So yeah, to create a new category, to tap on the new account option. And then for example, I'm going to name this one as food sales. Okay, and then for the account type, of course, we are going to select income for this one. Then tap on the save option. Okay, so I'm just going to add another element or text so we can save this. Now for expenses, so yeah, create a new account once again. And for example, like food ingredients. Okay, food ingredients, and then for the account type, so it should fall under your expenses. Okay, so tap on the save option. Okay, so organizing these categories helps the QuickBooks to automatically track your restaurant finances. Now, we are going to add our customers or our suppliers. Okay, so to do that, just go here and look for the customer hub. Okay, and then go to the customers. That's right. And then you just have to wait for a couple of seconds. And then here you have the new customer option at the top right. So simply tap on this one. Okay, and then here, you just have to type out the title, the first name of your customer, the middle name, the last name, and all of the other details. Okay, so of course, the phone number, the telephone number, or the email address, and notes about the orders. So here you can find a note right here. So you can also, track supplier for ingredients and food products. So this helps you keep your restaurant transactions organized. Okay, so after that, you just have to tap on the save option. Next is we are going to record the restaurant sales. So to do that, again, tap on the create option that you can find at the top left of your screen, and then tap on the sales receipt. So this one, that's right. And then right here, you just have to enter the sales details. So for example, food sales. For the description, we have the lunch orders and then the amount. Okay, so you can add all of those right here. So you have the product and service, and then the description, the quantity, the rate, and the amount. So here, you can also add a message displayed on sales receipt and message displayed on statement. So you have here the balance due, and then just have to tap on the save and close option. So yeah, there are many restaurants record daily total sales instead of each individual order, especially when using a POS system. So QuickBooks will automatically record the total sales for the day. Okay, now how you can actually track the food and the supplier. So to do that, again, tap on the create option at the top right, at top left. Okay, and then tap on the expense. And then right here, just have to enter the details like the vendor. So like food supplier. So you just have to add a new one, but I'm just going to use this existing supplier right here. And then after that, you just have to add a vendor like food supplier. For the category, we have the food ingredients for the amount. So you just have to add that right here, like $450, something like that. And for the description, like vegetables, meat, and spices. For your other expenses, you might also track include cooking supplies, kitchen equipment, cleaning materials, restaurant utilities. So tracking expenses helps you understand your actual food costs and operating expenses. And lastly, of course, you have to monitor your restaurant profit. So to do that, okay, so you just have to save and close the section. I'm just going to tap on yes. So we have to run our reports. So here, to find the report section, simply go to the left side of your screen and tap on the reports. That's right. Okay, so just wait for a couple of seconds. So QuickBooks also provides financial reports to monitor your restaurant performance. So just go to the profit and loss. Okay, and of course, this report shows the total restaurant sales, the total expenses, the net profit. So restaurant owners can use this report to see how much your restaurant earns monthly, the biggest expenses, and the overall profitability. So you have that right here. Okay, so that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.